weather message for the following counties in Ohio, Medina, and Wayne. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for southern Medina County, northern Wayne County, until 12:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:34 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Lodi, or 11 miles southwest of Medina, and moving east at 25 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Whitman, Creston, Wadsworth, Doylestown, Burbank, Westfield Center, Briarwood Beach, Chippewa on the Lake, Gloria Glenns Park, Seville, and Marshallville.
Urgent weather message. The National